Welcome to day 3 of Techsgiving. Thank you for everybody for hanging in there. I'm excited about today. I'm opening Pick Collage again. Are you surprised? And I'm going to go to my collages. What I was saying is I'm excited about today because I want to explain the power of emojis. Pick Collage allows you to easily use different activities using emojis to have students kind of explain what they're thinking. I'm going to start with a primary example, and I'm going to go over the letter B. So maybe a student is trying to work on the beginning sounds of letters. So we have B in our turkey, and I'm going to add text, change my keyboard to a little happy face emoji keyboard, and find an emoji that has the B sound. So maybe it's bow. And I'm going to check, put my bow there, and then add text again. Go back to my emoji keyboard, and let's see, bell. I have bell. So I'm going to tap on bell, add it to my feathers, and I am good to go. Now the students have a deeper understanding of the B sound, going through practicing with their beginning sounds and also increasing their vocabulary sometimes. So I am not a primary teacher, you say. What can I do with emojis for my intermediate students? So here's an example using character motivation. Maybe I have the name of my character, so I'm going to put text and my character name goes in the body of my turkey. Just kind of size that so it fits. So you would replace that with the actual character's name. And then I'm going to start to tell the story of this character. What motivated them? What were they needing? What did they want? What were they showing? What were they doing? So using emojis, the student can tell that story. Let's start with maybe some traits. Our character was kind of nerdy, and we learned that because he liked to watch a lot of sci-fi, and he was spending a lot of time on his computer doing computer stuff. So I'm going to check that, bring those out, and kind of put that there on my first feather. So that's kind of our character traits. And we also learned that because he wasn't really being accepted at school and he was kind of on the quiet side, he liked to stay home a lot. So I'm just kind of making this up. So he stays home, but he learns about a trick that's going to happen, and it's going to possibly hurt somebody. But you know what? He kind of keeps it to himself. So he learns about this trick, and you can see that they can use different emojis to represent things, and when you ask them why they chose certain emojis, they'll be able to tell you in a story that you maybe hadn't thought of. And so he learned about this trick, and now I'm going to select another emoji. But he wasn't going to tell anybody because he was, really tired of being bullied at school. And he just wanted somebody else to be bullied for a change. So he didn't tell anybody about this trick that was going to happen to another student. And we learned all of this. This time I'm going to use Doodle because you want them to show the evidence of how they know this. So everything that we learn about this character and their motivation came from, let's say, page 43 of the text. So I used Doodle this time. I'm going to check. Remember, Doodle can be done really big, and then I can just size it down to fit where I need it to go. And there you go. So we were able to tell the story of character motivation just using emojis and having students think through that process and find different emojis to kind of get a deeper understanding of the text. All right, see you guys tomorrow.